So now going to question number 22. Here we know we're dealing with right triangles because it says it right there. And for triangle RST, deciding which one is the hypotenuse has to do with figuring out which one is the biggest number. Because for a right triangle, the hypotenuse will always be the biggest one. So let's call that TR like that, which means that this has to be the S. So RS is 440 and ST is 384. So that's our right triangle. And if this is similar to UVW, similar means they have the same angles, but they have proportional sides. So what we really want to be paying attention to right now is that if we wrote the RST in this order, we've got to write the UVW in the same order. And that'll tell us which angles correspond to which. What is the value of tan W? Well, we know that because these have the same angles, because that's what similar means. It means they have the same angles. That means that if someone's asking for the tan of W, they may as well be asking for the tan of T, because those are the same angles as one another. So let's find the tan of T. In SOHCAHTOA, the tan is the O over the A, the opposite over the adjacent. And in the triangle that we have here, the opposite will be this side right here because that's opposite the angle that we're dealing with. The hypotenuse is always the hypotenuse. That never changes. It's across from the right angle. And the leftover one, after you've identified opposite and hypotenuse, is the adjacent. So right now we need opposite over adjacent, which would be 440 over 384. And now it's just a matter of throwing that in the calculator and using your calculator's function to turn it back into a fraction. And when you do that, you get 55 over 48, which is answer choice D for number 22.